traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, November 20th, and this is my recap of the top videos of the day. And the US dollar came in number one today, so I'm going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you didn't see my full top-down analysis on the euro dollar from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. But also don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members only live streams on Zoom, and my 34-video trading course are included for only $30 per month. So anyways, the euro dollar did make a pretty strong move to the downside today. I'm starting to wonder if this is a wave 5 because it definitely has that 1, 2, 3, 4, and wave 5 look for sure. If it is a wave 5, then potentially it could turn back up and finally give us that break of structure telling us that this trend is over. I wouldn't assume that it's going to go up because that's very counter trend and it might end up being a losing trade because the trend is definitely down and I definitely still think we need to be looking for shorts. But you know, if it starts to go up, if it starts to break some of these highs, then I think there would be enough evidence for us to start looking for longs. But until then, especially if you're a very short time frame trader, I definitely would still continue to look for shorts. We haven't hit this 105% Fibonacci extension yet, which would be my most likely target for this move down. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.